Well, hello, my darlings. I hope you all are doing great. I know you all are here to see how you can make money using your Cricut, right? Well, I'm going to show you how you can. This video is sponsored by Cricut. And like I said, I'm going to be sharing some ways that you can make money. But there's some rules to the game. Stick around, I'll show you how. This is Cricut's latest machine, the Cricut Maker 3 Smart Cutting Machine. But if you're not familiar with Cricut, it's an electronic cutting machine that you can cut all sorts of designs from materials like paper, vinyl, cardstock, and even iron-on transfers. So you want to get a website. You want to get that website and you want to lock in that name, because if you don't get a website, anyone could take your unique name, right? So you want to get a website, lock it in. You also want to use that same name and put it all across your social media channels, Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, wherever you're planning to post, that's where you want your name. This way people can find you. There's a lot of things out there that you can do with your Cricut, you guys, but I'm just going to name a few because I think that this is something that anyone can do, especially if you're a beginner. T-shirts. Everyone can make a cool t-shirt with a nice little saying on it, or you could do monograms on it, or do something for Christmas for the whole family. That's one idea. You may have seen where I created labels for our shampoo bottles and a print for all of my collections of ginger jars on a tea towel. You can also get really creative. I like to add the days of the week on my tea towels, but you can customize something really special for your customer. You guys say more. How cute is this tumbler, right? This is something that you can definitely sell on your Etsy shop or on your website. They are huge. Tumblers and mugs are so huge right now. This is something that you can definitely sell. How cute. Cutting boards. Oh my goodness. Cutting boards are so popular right now. You can definitely use your Cricut to make something with a cutting board. I like to get my inspiration from either Hobby Lobby or at-home stores because they have so many cute sayings on them and so many ideas that you can get to make anything you want. Here's a big one. Research your competition. Etsy is a good place to go and find out what is being sold and what's hot on Etsy, right? So to give you an example, if you like tumblers, or if you know someone who loves tumblers, or if your audience loves tumblers and they're plain, right? You want to maybe get something with a little bling. Okay, try that market out. It may do really well. You have to look into regulations. Whatever product that you're selling, you're going to have to look into it. You could go into Google, or if you have a lawyer or you know a lawyer or a lawyer friend, that's even better, but you're going to have to look into it and do your homework before you start selling or even looking for your product. Now it's time to sell your items. You can try flea markets, boutiques, Instagram, Facebook Marketplace, party events, even sport teams. Start slow, you guys. Chat with your family, your friends, and if your product is good, it will take off. Hopefully this has been helpful to you guys, and I hope this has motivated you to start your own business. You can make a ton of money using Cricut. Let me know down below what you would like to sell using your Cricut if you could. I would love to know. Good luck, everyone.